Expanding to Amazon Italy is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you the top countries I believe you should expand to first. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So step one is you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're going to go to Inventory, Sell Globally. If you don't have access, make sure you're a professional seller, but if you do, click on this button right here, and it's going to take you to the Sell Globally tab. You're going to go and click on Europe and create a European selling account and click Register Now, and that's going to help you get eligible to sell in Italy. You will need your passport, credit card documents, bank account documents. Just make sure all of your names and addresses match, so that way Amazon will approve you with a breeze. And you're gonna need two things once you get approved is you're going to need your VAT and you're going to need your EORI number. Your VAT is just so you have a special number to pay taxes in the EU, and your EORI number is so you can actually ship units from the USA or wherever directly into the EU countries. Now, once you're approved, you can go back to the cell and it'll say Europe and it'll have a little check mark and you'll see Italy is now eligible and you can expand to Italy. You're gonna see the next steps that Amazon's giving you is to add a product, to complete your European VAT applications, and just stay informed on it. So what you can do now is you can drop down and then click on Italy, transfer to Italy, and then you're gonna go to Italy, make sure there's no red errors, add your bank account, your credit card info, and let's get that VAT. So you can just type in VAT at the top, and then you can go to manage your VAT or file your VAT. What you can do is just click manage your VAT or file your VAT, and Amazon gives you recommendations. So if we go to manage your VAT, Amazon is gonna give you a provider that's going to help you, and it depends how much it is per month, maybe around $40 a piece. But they're going to help you set up your VAT, file your VAT, and do all of that fun stuff. So if you want to sell in multiple countries, they give you a VASC or J&P accountants. So sign up for one of those and get your VAT number, because this is going to be important when you start making money, and anytime you ship in products, you're going to need your VAT number. By the way, one pro tip is that Italy has its own VAT number, UK has its own VAT number, France have its own VAT number, so each one you're going to have your own VAT number in. Now next up, you're going to go into Italy, and if you already have listings that are showing for some reason, I recommend that you delete them all and then start from scratch, because sometimes it syncs with Amazon USA, and I always recommend to start from scratch. So you go to Italy and now start creating your listings. All you have to do is go to catalog, add products, and you're gonna add the same products that you have in the US. Just type in your ASIN. If your ASIN doesn't show up, then create a new listing from scratch with the same exact UPC code that you used in the US. Then when you create it in Italy, the reviews will transfer over. Once it's created, you're simply going to convert your listings to Amazon FBA. You're going to click these three little buttons, and you're going to just click Change to Fulfilled by Amazon. You're going to convert your listings to FBA, and then next up, you're going to click Send or Replenish Inventory, so you can ship your items into Amazon Italy. And once you do this, Amazon is going to give you a special Amazon label so Amazon knows what products are being shipped, but they will not give you a shipping label because you're not from Italy. So you're gonna have a special Amazon label. You're gonna put that on the outside of the box that you're shipping in to Amazon Italy. And to get your actual shipping label, you're gonna go to UPS.com. UPS is one of the best ways to ship pasta from Italy to the USA, and we're gonna use the best service ever, which is the pasta shipping service, UPS.com. They're going to help you with getting everything sorted, your VAT number, and getting everything shipped from the USA to Italy. Once you create your label here, it's going to be a little bit pricey, but I recommend your first time you do use UPS, and the next time you can use a freight forwarder. But once you're done creating that label, you're going to have your Amazon label on the box, the actual shipping label, and you're just going to go to Inventory and Shipments and then tell Amazon, hey, here's our tracking number for UPS. And once it arrives at Amazon, it'll be available and you can start selling. When you're shipping from the US to Italy, UPS is going to ask for your VAT number, which I already showed you how to get, and they're most likely going to ask for your EORI number. Now, your EORI number is one number that you can use for every type of shipment to the EU countries. So you only need one EORI number, whether you're shipping to France, Italy, UK. Now, to get the EORI number, you can get one from the UK, which is the easiest, because you only need one, like I said. So you can just type in apply for EORI number. Apply for an EORI number. And then you can see it here and click start now, and then it's going to help you apply for EORI number. And you can see on Google, you can type in, do I need an EORI number for each EU country? No, you do not need an EORI number for each EU country. It's valid across the entire EU, and it does not have an expiration date. They just want this to track shipments. So you get these two numbers, you get your VAT number, you get your EORI number, and then you can ship to any EU country. Now, each country has its own VAT number. That's why you're supposed to hire that special VAT service. But the EORI is much easier. You only need one for any EU shipment. And that's pretty much it. Once you're in and your inventory is shipped to Amazon, you wait for Amazon to check it in, and then it's 2-day shipping to everybody in Italy, and you can start selling in Italy. And of course, for staying to the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you the best countries to launch in from my professional opinion. And number 1 is going to be the US, number 2 is going to be the UK, number 3 is going to be Canada, number 4 is going to be Australia, and number 5 is going to be Singapore. And that's because these are all English speaking countries. They all have English as their main and first language, so it's going to be much easier to launch there, because if any errors show up, they're all going to be in Italian if you're shipping to Italy. So start with these countries first, and then I recommend to start going into Italy, France, Spain, Netherlands, all of those other countries. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help expanding internationally, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. This is what we specialize in, is everything Amazon, as well as expanding internationally. And our number 1 service is our full Amazon account service, where we'll help you expand internationally to every Amazon country, as well as eBay, Etsy, Walmart. We'll manage your customer service, help you increase your sales, your designs, and everything in between. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.